Just listen to the sound of my voice. Let everything else fade away for a few moments. I am here with you. Take a gentle breath in and a slow breath out. You are safe. You are in control. Find a comfortable place to sit and gently rest your hands in your lap, palms facing up. Take a moment to notice your hands, the lines on your palms, the shape of your fingers, just observing. For this practice, we will focus on just the left hand. We will gently hold each finger and then the palm for about 1 minute each. There is nothing you need to do except follow my voice. You are doing this perfectly. Now, with your right hand, gently wrap your fingers around the thumb of your left hand. Just a soft, gentle hold. Bring your awareness to the feeling of contact, the warmth from your hand. You may begin to feel a soft, steady pulse in your thumb. This is your own energy, your own rhythm. If you feel it, just focus on that gentle beat, in and out. If you don't, that's perfectly okay. Just focus on the feeling of being held. You are doing amazing just by being here. Now, gently release your thumb and move your grip to your index finger, wrapping your right hand around it. Again, just notice the sensation, the gentle pressure, the contact. With every steady pulse you feel, or with every breath you take, feel any sense of fear gently softening, just letting it be without judgment. You are strong. You are capable. Slowly release your index finger and now gently hold your middle finger. Feel the solidness of the contact. You are anchored here in this moment. Any frustration or anger, just allow it to be there. And with your exhale, imagine it softening, losing its sharp edges. You don't need to fight it. Just hold. You are in control. You are calm. Gently let go and move your hand to your ring finger, holding it with a gentle, reassuring grip. Bring your focus back to the pulse or to the warmth, a steady, constant rhythm. Allow this simple act of holding to be a comfort, a reminder that even in moments of sadness, you are holding yourself. You are supporting yourself. It's okay to feel. You are resilient. Now, release your ring finger and gently wrap your hand around your little finger, the last one. Feel the connection. Feel the support. Breathe in and out. With this hold, invite a sense of ease, a feeling of quiet confidence. You have everything you need right here. Slowly release your little finger and turn your left hand over. With the thumb of your right hand, press gently into the center of your left palm. Feel this central point, a point of balance, a point of peace. Hold this gentle pressure here. Feel how it grounds you, anchoring you to your own center. This is your stillness. It is always here for you. Now, you can release your hand and let it rest. If you wish, you can repeat this on the other hand, or you can simply rest here for a moment longer. You navigated this moment. You brought yourself back to your center. You did this. As you prepare to return to your day, take this thought with you. You can repeat it silently to yourself now. I am connected to my own energy. I am connected to my own energy. Be well.